everybody, and welcome to today's episode where we're going to be taking a look at the Bitcoin USD price chart on from Coinbase. This is just a little overview for those of you who are newer to technical analysis. I'm going to try and ease you in. This is the monthly chart, and we're going to be looking at it on the Trading View chart. And this is the unpaid version of Trading View. I have the paid version of Trading View, but I'm showing you this on the unpaid version so you can see what you can get what benefits you can get from using technical analysis on the unpaid version that hopefully will make you a lot of money so that you will be able to use the paid version, which I highly recommend, because while the unpaid version gives you some options, the paid version gives you a lot more. It allows you to put more indicators on on your chart, and you can see how that will be useful because I will be doing a comparison where I will show you what the paid version looks like in another video. But on to this one. Here we're at the monthly chart, the monthly chart, and I'm here because I want to show you this area right here. In this area, this is you can see that it goes through a lot of candles, a lot of wicks, and so this area is something that I would like to keep track of, because this region, this range is someplace where price has gone before. It's gone there a lot, as you can see, and the more it goes there in the past, the more likely it will go there in the future. So as we see here, in this current candlestick, it has made a new high. And let's go to the weekly. We can see that we have, at this point, a tweezer top. So what a tweezer top means is we have two candlesticks that have wicks that are up top, and the body is usually long. This is a long body here, but this body here is still in the making because it's the middle of the week, but this is by itself kind of like a hammer. It doesn't look too good, to be honest, but for the price, but that's okay because we're here to just look at the price action, and and there's always moves to be made depending upon where we think price is going. So like I said, we've made higher highs. So generally after making higher highs, then the Bitcoin or any asset tends to rest. The price tends to go back down after making those higher highs. So it is conceivable, like here, where it came up and it hit 48,000, and then it came back down here to 38,000. So that's like a $10,000 difference. So the high here is 53,000. It's conceivable it could come all the way down here to 43,000, which would be right in that range where I showed you before of all those other price action where it hit that line. Let's go ahead and put a line here. Around 43,000. Okay. Now, this line here I have as a template, as a border. We don't want it as a border. So what we're going to come in and we're going to do here, I'll show you how to make a template. We're going to make this line a simple line, and we're going to make it blue. And then let's come over here and let's squeeze in this chart. Now, remember how I was saying that, this is in that region where it has hit this line has hit these candlesticks many times. So it is foreseeable that it will come back and hit this area many times. So if I sold my Bitcoin up here, like at 50,000, then I took profit at 50,000. Conceivably, I now have cash, so I might want to put some, buy back in, put in a limit order around here, around 44, 43, because but this isn't financial advice, but conceivably I could see it coming down here before it bounces back up. But that's just one option. That's just one thing that could happen. Price could take off. So the markets are risky, but once again, if we look at this momentum indicator, the momentum is going down. So if the momentum, which means that the purchasing, the is going down, then price is probably going to go down too. Let's look at it on the daily chart. Part of the reason why I'm doing it on the unpaid version is that there's a little bit of difference in the way that I handle my charts on the paid version versus the unpaid version. On the paid version, I can have multiple windows open on the same for the same chart, like up here. I can make like I can have like 4 different windows per tab, and then I can have like the monthly in one and the weekly in another, and then I can have the daily and the 8-hour, because I'm not really a day trader. I'm more of a swing trader, which means that I trade over longer periods of time, over days, as opposed I might put in my limit order, and and it might happen over days and weeks, as opposed to minutes, or hours as day traders. But for me, typically, when I'm trading Bitcoin, my orders, I put in my limit orders, and they typically sometimes go for hours or days. Oh, now we're on the daily chart, and we see it, and the momentum is like even further down on the daily chart. So, and let's take a look at the 4-hour. It's now it's in a negative. So, and not only that, but it has crossed the 50 EMA, the exponential moving average, the 50-day exponential moving average. So we can see here how it has gone up and down around the 50-day moving average. And here, yeah. So from this chart, it looks like the Bitcoin price is coming down for a bit here. But, that's a buying opportunity. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to talking to you on future videos. Have a great one. Bye.